Hey guys, so I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys how I cut sea glass. Some people may do it differently, it's your preference, but how I do it is I get a hard plastic bowl so that if you go through the sea glass, you're not going to dump water everywhere. You want enough water in the dish to submerge your glass, but you don't want it to be under deep water, so just enough to cover. And I use a little Dremel tool. You definitely want to use a diamond tipped bit to be able to cut through the sea glass. And some people like to put a piece of wood in there to help secure the glass. I don't typically do that, I just hold it, but you do have to be careful to watch for your fingers. So anyways, I'm just gonna kind of show you how easily I do it. You just want to hold the tool, hold the sea glass, find the spot where you want to do it, and you'll start to see the white smoke. That just means that you're going through the sea glass, so that's what you want to see. And you just apply some pressure. Okay, and you can see a spot starting to form, and I like to go on the opposite side and drill too, just so I don't blow out the back of my sea glass. And you will feel the difference once you make a hole all the way through. Well, there you saw it spinning, but so now you have a little hole there to put your jump hook in, or whatever you're going to use to attach this to jewelry. And I'll probably post another video making a necklace or something, just so you guys can kind of see how I do that. But there is a piece of sea glass that I drilled through. It's not difficult to do. If you have any questions, you can comment down below and let me know. I'll tell you where I got my drill and what I use. You definitely want to get a diamond bit tip though if you're going to cut through sea glass. Here's the one I did earlier, a round one. This one's a little bit thicker than this one, but I haven't had any issues with thickness. You just have to be patient. Take your time, flip it, do one side, flip it, do the other side. If you try to go straight through, sometimes it will blow the back of the piece out, so you want to be careful with that. But there we go. There's my sea glass. Thanks for watching, guys.